Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. You know, just reflecting on my mother's impact on my life, which continues to this day, and I'm grateful for that. One of the biggest lessons she's taught me in word and deed has been to never give up and to, you know, find a way through, around, over, under, whatever obstacles are in your way. And that's something I carry with me through all aspects of my life, that don't quit mentality. And so I encourage all of you out there, you know, don't give up on yourself, and keep believing. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there.
The one lesson my mother taught me that I take with me in everything that I do is to stay positive. No matter what's going on, she's always told me, stay positive. And so that is one of the things that I do. No matter what the situation is, I try to look at the brighter side of what's going on.
One of the biggest lessons that my mom taught me was that I don't need anybody to tell me that I'm beautiful and I have special abilities. My mother instilled in me self-confidence from when I was a little girl. So much so that I'm now able to impart that knowledge, that belief in self on my daughter.
I remember how, even as a child, how fiery she was, and how she would not let anyone dim her light or silence her voice, especially as it relates to standing up for what she believes in. And this has definitely been passed on to me and will be passed on to my son.
Sometimes I feel like I'm carrying around my mother's heart inside of me, because the ambience of her love protects my soul and it drives my energy. My mom used to tell me, do not aim for the stars, aim for the moon. So if you fall off the moon, you'll land on a star. She also drives into my head that anything I want to do, you can do it. And don't let anyone tell you otherwise. My mother, Patricia, Georgia, Huey, I love you. You're always with me.
One important lesson that my mother has taught me, she gave me this saying, a closed mouth never gets fed. What it basically means is if you don't speak up, you'll never know what your opportunities may be, because nothing is going to come to you unless you ask.
If there's one thing that I've learned from my mother that I have maintained throughout everything that I do, my business, my everyday doing, integrity. She always said, your integrity is who you are when nobody is looking. And I instilled that into every single thing that I do.
Happy Mother's Day. This is G. Cole from Homegrown with G. Cole. And one solid piece of advice I got from my mom that I live by today, and this was given to me when I was a little kid. Be careful of the reputation that you create. You're going to have to live and die by those reputations. Stand by those reputations. So if it's a good reputation, then awesome. People are going to hold you to that. But if it's a bad one, you're also going to be holding you to that. All right?